And then you became involved with the books, with Edwin Hubbard's books, isn't it right?
Yeah. This is a long story actually, because I mean I've worked in London Org for years, and then in St Hill, and I've also worked in pubs org where I actually worked with books. But all the time there was a, we could call it a reverence for Ron. You didn't alter things that Ron did, and I've seen how careful people were to duplicate exactly what he wrote. At the point I was making, I have these red volumes. I was involved in those, and
in what way involved?
Well, I was involved. We had this was in Pubs Org.
And that is the publications org.
Publications org in Copenhagen. This was in 1971.
So you went from Edinburgh to Copenhagen.
Yes, now we've jumped a long way ahead.
Okay, yeah.
But we got there, and I was involved. We had in those days, IBM had a typewriter, electric typewriter with a golf ball, and it's called a golf ball. It was well known in those days, and we had in Pubs Org a way of typesetting, where somebody typed it in on a tape, and it came through to the golf ball machine and printed out. Then if you went from ordinary type to italics, you had to stop, take the golf ball out and set a new one in, so forth. But I was involved in the typing in of this, and when there was a problem, when it was Rosemary Delderfield who I worked with, when she thought there was something wrong with what she was typing in, and she couldn't sort it out herself, she sent a message to the person who was responsible for the archives to get it checked with Ron Hubbard's original. And this was the attitude all the way, that it had to be exactly wrong. And if David Miscavige, I'm furious about this, David Miscavige comes up and says that the original people who typed this in changed it, and implying they changed it maliciously.
And David Miscavige or Miscavige, just give us a brief.
Well, yeah. I said, no, I can't really do that. I said, he took over the church sort of thing, and this is a suppressive thing. But he took it over after I left, after I was thrown out.
Yeah.
So,
and
I've been going in 60 years in Scientology, so it's a long time.
Yeah, that's
it's
right.
a lot to compress.
But before this interview, you told me that this is the thing with the books, because David Miscavige releases new books or new versions of the old books again and again. Yeah. And keep claiming that the old books had flaws in it. Yeah. There were mistakes, spelling mistakes, typos or wrong, whatever. And he keeps coming with the same argument, and while he releases new books, basically the same old books but in new covers and new printing and so on, claiming that now they are correct. And this is what makes you furious, because you were involved in actually typesetting the original books, and you knew that they were correct.
Yeah, the implication is that the people who were very faithful to Ron in the early days, as up to 73 at least, were very careful to duplicate, to make it exactly like Ron said.